In this short tutorial video, I am going to show you how to connect WooCommerce to your Review Trust account. First, log into your Review Trust account. In the sidebar menu, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down below into the Shopping Cart section and click the Add New Account button. Enter a name for the account. On the vendor drop-down, choose WooCommerce and click Save. And a PI URL will be generated for your shopping cart account. Copy the URL generated and log in to your WooCommerce admin. Hover in the WooCommerce link in the sidebar and click on Settings. Click on the Advanced tab. Click on Webhooks. Click on Add Webhook. Enter a name for the webhook. On the Status drop-down, choose Active. On the Topic drop-down, choose Order, Created. Paste the API URL generated from Review Trust. On the API version, choose version 3. Click on Save Webhook. Click on Webhooks again to add another webhook. Click on Add Webhook. Follow the same process on adding new webhook, but this time from the topic, choose Order Updated. Now go back to Review Trust and create a product campaign. Enter the required information. On the shopping cart drop-down field, select WooCommerce. In this drop-down, select the account you created earlier and continue creating the campaign, and you are done.